Hey Simi, I have something interesting to show you. Seems the Chile ambassador had a second job.
Yeah, he's doing delivery for JJ Express?
Yes, seems so.
Yeah, very interesting, right?
Very interesting. Maybe we should try the second job and forget the YouTube thing.
Yeah, let's go. So let's try?
Yeah, let's go deliver something. Alright, so a couple of days ago, JD Logistics, the logistics arm of JD.com, and one of the largest logistics companies in China, reached out to Simi and I to see if we were interested to be their courier for one day to experience their excellent delivery service. Well, that sounded a bit weird to us at first, because we've seen some internet celebrities went to some big companies to be one-day CEO or something. We wanted that. But since the Chilean ambassador seems very happy with his JD delivery job, we took it also. It all starts at 6 a.m. Okay, I've got to admit, Simi and I woke up late. Just imagine we would be fired on the first day if we were the real delivery man. By the time we arrived at the facility, there were some couriers already there to sort the packages. These packages are all collected from different areas within China the previous day and are delivered the next day. They register the packages by scanning the barcode on them and are then assigned to different districts of the city. JD Logistics told us that there are more than 5,000 packages to sort each morning. Then in the afternoon there will be other trucks. Totally, that would be around 10 to 20 packages per day. That's a staggering number, because in many cities, they don't even have that many residents. But thanks to JD's sophisticated process system and hardworking staff, the packages can be delivered to users' hands on time. Speaking of deliveries, let's go deliver something. The manager was kind enough to send each of us a partner to help with, probably because he didn't want us to mess up the whole delivery process as well. We took this small van, which I think is pretty fun to ride. Basically the same like those e-scooters I've reviewed before, though I almost crashed on my first drive. Definitely I'm not a good courier, but the staff from JD are good and professional. The way they drive and handle packages like a pro. Now we entered the residential community to deliver packages one by one. One thing about that is, unlike other express services that only deliver to a place near your house or to the delivery locker, which you have to collect by yourself, JD Logistics will deliver to your door directly. At the day we were delivering was a work day, very few people were at home. We then called to notify the customers that we put packages at the door. And if someone happened to be at home, we then ask the user to send for the packages. For heavy packages, we'd have to put inside a room. Or for some special products, we'll take the stuff out for users to let them check right on the spot. For some buildings, they didn't have an elevator or one that worked, so we'd take the stairs, just to make sure customers didn't have all the hassle. It's all in the details, mate. From my experience, the delivery service from JD Logistics is probably the best I've had. I remember one time I ordered a giant massage chair. The JD couriers even had to take down my door to get it in. And they don't charge extra. Thumbs up for that. For many people, they may know JD Logistics only works for JD.com, which is one of the largest e-commerce sites in the world and has a total market cap of about 104 billion US. Actually not so. They deliver packages for average users as well. When we were shooting the video, there was a woman who ordered more than 10 bags online, but later she didn't like them and would like to return them. We then just patiently wrapped them one by one for her. For some products, we then took the packages back to the facility and then rewrapped just to make sure they were carefully protected and wouldn't be damaged during transportation. It's like they treat their own packages. The reason JD Logistics can offer such thoughtful service is, unlike other express companies that outsource everything. JD Logistics hire all these workers full-time and offer all insurances and competitive wages. And they have a sense of belonging. Like the partner I was working with, he has been working for JD Logistics for many years. Normally, in the express industry, it has a large turnover of staff, but for him, there is no need to go out for other jobs. It's already good working there. One last thing you might care to know is how much they can earn per month. Well, that varies from month to month and city to city. I wouldn't say the specific number, but they earn much more than me from YouTube. Now I'm seriously considering giving up my YouTube career and join the JD Logistics company. Of course, things aren't always easy when delivery. Sometimes they run into nasty weather like snowy days or there's extra heavy packages. Delivery would be slow and difficult. So next time when our delivery is late, please be patient and don't rush. They are certainly trying their best to deliver. And yes, please say thank you when they hand out packages to us. Jimmy, what a day!
Yeah, right?
So in your delivery, what's the most difficult situation for you?
I think those buildings without the elevator, for me, it's really hard to climb the stairs.
Yeah, me too, me too. But that's the most impressive part from JD Express service because no matter what the situations, no matter what the packages, have to make sure deliver products to users' hands, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, thanks to JD Express for sponsoring this video. I'm Sammy.
I'm Simi.
I will catch you in the next one.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay.